BittyBrush. Hi. Let's draw an ambulance. Headlight. Good. Wheel number 1. Wonderful. Wheel number 2. A flashing light. Let's draw a window. The second window. Ambulance sign. Line. The second line. Let's color it. The color is red. Wonderful. And red again. Well done. Gray color. The window is blue. Good. We'll paint the wheels black. It turned out to be a cool ambulance. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos.